projectile launch speed is 5 times its speed at maximum height. Find launch angle theta. And the given problem can be represented with this diagram. Our u here represents the initial velocity of the projectile, where our u sin theta represents the initial velocity of the projectile in the vertical axis, and our u cos theta represents the initial velocity of the projectile in the horizontal direction. And the question says the launch speed is 5 times its speed at maximum height. I want you to understand that at maximum height, the velocity of the vertical components of a projectile is 0. So we are now left with the velocity of the projectile in the horizontal direction, and our launch speed is u, and let us say that our velocity at maximum height is w, and the question says that our launch speed velocity is 5 times the velocity at maximum height. So we can say u equal to 5w, but at maximum height we are only left with velocity in the horizontal direction, and in a projectile motion the velocity of horizontal direction does not change. It means that it remains the same throughout the whole journey. That means our velocity at maximum height is the same as u cos theta. So our w here is u cos theta. U equal to 5u cos theta. Let us divide both sides of the equation by 5u over 5u over 5u. 5u cancel 5u and u cancel u. That means our cos theta equal to 1 all over 5. Theta equal to r cos 1 all over 5. Theta equal to 78.5 degree. That is our launch angle.